How to create a line graph in Google Sheets. Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, let's make a line graph in Google Sheets step by step. Line graphs are great for showing trends over the time. So let's get started. We can start by going to Google Sheets for that and open it up and prepare your data if you have not prepared, and organize your data in x-axis and y-axis like column A and column B. So just go and do so. For example, something like this. Now, once you have done that, we can select about data. We can click and drag and select the data that we want to include in the graph. You can select both columns, including the headers as well. Just go over and select it. And we can go to the menu option in the top and select the option of insert here. From there, we can select the option of chart and click on it. And Google Sheet will automatically create a chart. Sometimes it defaults to a column chart. You can select it. If you want to change the chart type on your right hand side, you can look out for the chart type from your chart editor and you can set it up. For example, if you want a bar graph, you can select this option here and it will provide in a smooth bar graph for us like this. And if you want to create a line chart, you can just go over and select up a line chart here and look out for it. And we can set the data range, your x-axis, your y-axis. We can switch the rows and columns as well and apply the changes. Just go over and do so. After that, you can click on customize option as well, and we can look out for different options. We have chart and axis styles, series, read lines and text, etc. I can just go over and choose it up, and we can just go over and look out for the title font size, etc. Apply the changes that we prefer and just go over and do so. We can resize and even move this chart here and drag the corners to resize it. If your data updates, you can just go over and update your data, and the chart updates automatically as well. But usually this is how you should be able to go ahead and add up a line graph on your Google Sheets very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.